The reverse kite launch is an extremely effective method in launching your kite in very light wind around that 7 to 13 knot range. And it just looks cool too. In light wind, it's much more difficult to launch the kite crosswind of you, and sometimes just darn near impossible. You will have much more success in launching the kite downwind of you into the power zone. Because we're dealing with very light wind, this technique is going to be more effective for all those foil boarders out there. To execute this launch, wait for the kite to be directly downwind of you. Grab the two outside steering lines at equal lengths. Now just tug. You may have to give it a few tugs, but eventually it'll go up. Once the kite has a good clearance over the surface of the water, quickly grab one of the steering lines to rotate the kite. Once the kite has rotated enough and you start to feel tension in the lines, let go and let the kite rise up. If you hold on too long to the steering line, you run the risk of dropping the kite onto the trailing edge. If you do, no biggie, just perform a hot launch. To perform a hot launch, make sure the kite is sitting on the trailing edge evenly. Use the outside steering lines to adjust the kite's position if it isn't. Once the kite is resting evenly on the trailing edge, grab both the center lines evenly and begin tugging until the kite launches. If you thought this was a cool and useful technique, please like and subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for watching and happy kiting.